Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the future of technology. It will be in most probably 2030 or 2050. In these years, the technology will be having a vast growth. So, what are the technology advancements would happen in the future? We are going to take some of the points in the future and we are going to talk about that and discuss about that in this video. And straight away, let's get into the topic. So, from the moment you wake up, you will be start with your searching up with the social media, whichever thing you may use, Instagram, Facebook, whatever thing you use, and you start to search something maybe. And like 50% of the world's population using the internet, and it's half of the population, but not the full population has yet started to use internet. Even though we get 4G, 5G, any advancements, but even half of the populations are not getting that such advancements yet. So, like in the future, the 5G is going to come in just few years in India, and you can even see many phones are releasing with the 5G tag on them, right? This 5G technology makes the internet more faster than what we saw in 4G. And 6G, we have experienced that 6G, and 6G would be more and more and more, like 40% more faster than that of 5G. 5G is already faster, and 6G is like next of the world. And we are going to talk about that. And first, let's talk about what are the little advancements. First of all, the glass made more smarter. Yeah, we will be using smart glasses. It mainly will be transparent glasses used as a smartphone, and a big glass would be used as a tablet. Yeah, you may saw many concepts in many Avengers movies, even Marvel movies. You may saw of it, many science fiction movies, and you may heard of it. And that technology would be happening in around 2030 or 2050, and most of the things would be made up of glass. Even houses may be made up of glass. Whatever surface you touch would be made me smarter. So that's going to be the technology which is going to be in the future. Then AI optimized manufacturing. A manufacturing unit now comprises of the humans, right? That's going to be replaced by the artificial intelligence. That's going to be the future with high-speed internet. I literally talked about the 5G. That's what we want to be having, the AI optimized manufacturing. A new era of computing. It's predicted that by 2025, quantum computers will be started to accumulate. Quantum computers are more and more, much more. You can't even imagine that much faster that quantum computers would be. You can do anything, real world problems, everything you can get. The AI would be optimized that much so that you can it will answer for any other questions. If you are asking a Google Assistant some of the questions, if you ask, it says here are the search results. But that will be not possible in 2025. From there we will get the quantum computers which works a lot faster. And yeah, we talked about 5G, so we will talk a little bit everything about 5G. 5G already means a lot. Like 5G is going to be releasing in 2 to 3 years in India, and it has been rolled out in UK and US and many other countries even, which has a good internet connection, good carriers in them. And 5G would be so much faster that the delivery, for instance, if you are ordering something in Amazon, you will receive that order, your order will be placed in seconds. We have ordered it just like in seconds, it will happen again in 4G even. But in 5G, it is a lot more faster. It happens in milliseconds, right? And that's what most of them predict. And the cars would be automated with the technology of 5G. And each and every car communicates in between them, so that there will be no other accidents anymore, and it helps in traffic management. There will be no more traffics, and that's a kind of cool thing when 5G invents. Next, let's talk about the virtual reality and the augmented reality. It has been already started. You may see people wearing the VR glasses and going and roaming up. Yes, VR is gone to another world. But what about this augmented reality? Already Facebook has started their project on augmented reality. It's just they are saying that they would be inventing the glasses, augmented reality glasses, for around $399, and let's see it when it releases. And what this augmented reality is meant for. When you are talking with a person, for instance, in a video conferencing call, at the same time, if you are wearing this AR glasses, the holographic representation of them would be projected in front of you. It gives you a feel that the person is sitting next to you. It may help during this COVID-19 situation. How it goes, let's see when it releases. And the next, let's talk about the future of construction has already begun. Yes, already the construction robots have been invented, and they are checking whether the building has been constructed properly or not. In the future, there will be no manpower, only robotic, and the construction robots will be taking care of all the things, what to do and everything. Again, at the same time, many of the people would lose their jobs due to this. Yes, this is going to be the downside of technology, we can say. Many of them are already they are losing their jobs due to this more advancement of technology, and again it leads in the future. Let's wait and see. And the other disadvantage is that it is in the hands of the people, it's in the hands of the consumer to get the great benefit of it, technology. It's not in the producers, so it is in the hands of us to make it proper. And that's it. I'm letting this video down and finishing up this video now, and with a question, whether you think this technology as a boon or a ban, and let me know, and goodbye.